Like, I done did enough time and shit, like, by myself and shit. Like, right now, I just wanna be with you all the time and shit, like, every day. Every day.
Supreme. Beat me up, Scotty.
Yo, what's good, people? Scott Styles here from Digital Trap.
Scott Supreme.
And today we're going to be showing how we made Kodak Black's Hate Being Alone. So yeah, basically, the first sound we started with was this piano loop, courtesy of Siege Monstrosity. So Siege, piano loop goes like this. So that was the initial sound we started off with. Move on to pattern 1. I think this was some instrumentation to complement the piano sound. Go through that. This was just like a collage of sound almost to make one layer of background. I'll show you what I mean. Got this bell sound. Very eerie, spacey sounds. And I feel like it's one of those things that you wouldn't notice that it's even in the beat unless it was showed to you like this. But this is how it sounds with the piano anyway. Next sound was a strings and choir sound from Nexus. Went like this. I think the next sound was them same chords just layered with a different preset. All that together went like this.
Then the organ roll comes in.
Hard organ still. Apologies for the slower laptop, man. This was made on my old laptop. Takes 10 years to open it on this way. So yeah, that sound is go to church, go to this church. Organ and on this way. Next sound was the pluck sounds that you hear from a London on the Track expansion from Nexus, pluck 1. And then I believe this is the saw bass. Standard Nexus sound, single layer leads, classic JP leader 3. Yeah, bit of master filter on. This because I don't think it's on. So all those sounds together make the instrumentation. That makes all the instrumentation there. So next was drums, and then obviously these transitions here. Yeah, next was drums. But before we go into the drums, as you can see here on the side here, the placement drum kit from Digital Trap will contain all of these drums from this project here. So yeah, MIDI loops, all of that good stuff. So yeah, if you want these sounds, they'll be in that kit there. So pattern 8 was hi-hats, I'm saying simple stuff there. Clap, chant, pattern 10, small perks, crashes, triangle, all that good stuff. And last but not least, the 808. Kick pattern that only comes in the hook. So the kick comes in here. Pretty much it. Kodak Black, Hate Being Alone, the making of, produced by Scott Styles and Scott Supreme on the Heartbreak Kodak album. Kind of a tongue twister, but yeah. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know in the comments as well what sort of content you want to see. You know what I'm saying? What tutorials you want to see. If there's any songs we've produced that you want to see the making of, let us know. And yeah, stay tuned. Digital Trap.
Yeah.
Girl, I want you in my chest like a flute. If I ain't got you, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I wanna be alone for a day.